and I was happy in your sunshine. I grew to love you more each passing day. Before too long I'd built my world around you, and I pray you'd love enough of me to stay. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me go. I can't take another minute of the day without you in it. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, then set me free. Take these chains away that keep me loving you. The arms that open wide to hold me closer, the hands that run their fingers through my hair, the smile that says hello, it's good to see you. Anytime I turn around, I find you there. It's this and so much more